Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lena Love, and I got a pretty cool video for you today. Alright y'all, so in today's video, I'm going to be making these boho Christmas tree ornaments. My living room already has that boho feel, so I decided to go ahead and make some ornaments that would go with that theme. I've always wanted ornaments like these, but when I see them in the store, they're just way too expensive. So I just decided I would make them myself. So my channel is all about positivity, love, and optimism. Because I know how life can get, and I'm just trying to bring a little motivation to somebody today. Does this look familiar? So the quote of the day is, problems are not stop signs. They are obstacles. If you keep going, you will reach your destination. With that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into it. So y'all, I ordered these 3-inch styrofoam balls. They're a little bigger than I thought they would be, but they'll still work just fine. I got some twine, some fluffy white yarn, and some ornament hooks. I'm also going to be using some T-pins. If y'all watch my living room makeover, you'll remember I use T-pins to secure my wingback chair covers. Please check out that video if you haven't yet. I'll put that link up there for you. I decided to make the yarn balls first because I thought they would be easier, but the twine balls actually were. I put the end of the yarn on the dab of glue and then secured it with the T-pin. Then just started wrapping and adding glue as I went along. This is a very messy project with all the glue, but it washes off very easily just with water. This was the first one I made, but as I went along, I found it much easier to use as many T-pins as possible. Also, I put the ornament hooks in first, but later found it was better to just completely finish wrapping the balls, then let them dry, then secure the hooks. Next time I make these yarn balls, I would suggest using the thickest, chunkiest yarn you can find. So moving along to the twine balls, the twine is very stiff, so it doesn't slip around as much, and it's much easier to make them look clean and professional. I really love this glue. I think I'm gonna buy a whole case of it. Even though you can see it now, it dries completely clear. And y'all, this ain't sponsored. I made the rest of the ornaments off camera, but this is what they look like in the end. I think they turned out pretty good. I can't wait to decorate my tree with them. I know it's already close to Christmas, but these boho Christmas ornaments are very easy to make. And you can make a dozen in an hour just like I did. Alright y'all, so let me know what y'all think of my balls down in the comments. If you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me one of them likes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and please subscribe because I got a lot of pretty more cool videos to come. Bye y'all!